Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, titignan natin itong lab na to, CSRF Vulnerability with No Defenses. So basahin natin, sabi dito, this lab's email change function is vulnerable to CSRF. To solve the lab, craft some HTML that uses a CSRF attack to change the viewer's email address and upload it to your exploit server. So you can log into your own account using Winner Peter. No? So tingnan din natin yung hint. So sabi, you cannot register an email address that is already taken by another user. So if you change your own email address while testing your exploit, make sure to use a different email address for the final exploit you deliver to the victim. No? So tingnan natin yung lab. So ito yung lab natin. Sabi, yung email change functionality daw yung vulnerable. So punta tayo sa my account. Then login tayo as Winner Peter, no? So, etong email change functionality daw yung vulnerable. So, tingnan natin. So, let's say jlearn@gmail.com, update email. So, tingnan natin yung request. Yung request, ang itsura niya, ito, change email. And, essentially, check lang niya yung email, no? And, kung titignan din natin yung login natin, yung cookie natin naka-same site na. No? So, sure tayo na vulnerable to sa CSRF. So, send natin to repeater. Then, kung naka-Burp Pro kayo, you can just right-click, Engagement Tools, Generate CSRF POC. And ito na yung magiging POC natin for CSRF. Pero kung naka-Burp Community kayo, you can just simply create an HTML file. So, na may nagsisend ng form na ang laman ay panibagong email address, no? So, in this case, pwede niya lang to kopyahin and i-open nyo as HTML within the same browser. Okay? So, since naka-Burp Pro tayo, we can just say test in browser, copy, open natin to, and we paste it here. So hindi pala tayo nag-change ng email. Let's change the email address here. So let's say 123 and test in browser, copy, and paste natin ulit. And as we can see, yung email natin nagbago na to 123jlearn@gmail.com. So ngayon sure na tayo na exploitable yung CSRF via this email change functionality. So ngayon punta tayo sa exploit server. So ang gagawin lang natin is i-paste natin yung laman ng POC sa exploit server. So, palitan natin yung email. Gawin natin 1234. And let's just store and deliver exploit to victim. So, ayan. Na-solve na natin yung lab and na-change natin yung email ng victim natin. No? So, essentially, ganun lang gumagana yung CSRF with no defenses. And see you in the next video.